Okay, let's solve some problems in indices. If you have evaluate 27 raised to power 1 over 3 over 16 raised to power minus 1 over 4. Option A, 6. Option B, 5. C, 4. D, 3. E, 2. Okay, we have seen the laws of indices. Here, what are we going to do? Can we raise 27 to power? Yes. What number can raise 27 to power? 3, right? 3 raised to power what? 3. Power law says that power multiplies power times by 1 over 3, is it not? All over 16 raised to power is what? What can raise 16 to power? What can raise 16 to power? 2. 2 raised to power what? We give you 16. 2 raised to power 4. That is 2 into how many places? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is it not? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, right? So 2 raised to power what? 4 times minus 1 over 4. This cancel this. This cancel this. So what do you have now? 3 raised to power what? 1 over 2 raised to power minus 1. What did I tell you about fraction negative index law? 3 raised to power 1 is 3. In negative index law, to remove this minus becomes 1 over 2, is it not? So this is 3 divided by 1 over 2, which is equal to 3 times 2 over 1, which is 6 over 1, equal to 6. So the answer is A, 6. Next question. If you have 16 raised to power 5 over 4 times by 2 raised to power minus 3 times by 3 raised to power 0. You're going to have, okay, options: A, 0, B, 2, C, 4, D, 10, E, 20. What can be raised to power here? 16 can still be raised to power, is it not? 2 raised to power what again is 16? 2 raised to power 4 times by what? 5 over 4, power multiplies power, times 2 raised to power minus 3 is the same as 1 over 2 raised to power 3, is it not? Times by 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Do you remember zero index law? So 4 cancel 4 here. What is the remaining? 2 raised to power 5 times by 1 times 1 is 1. 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So what do you have here? 2 raised to power 5 over 2 raised to power 3. Division law. When you have this, what do? This become, the bases are the same. So you subtract the power, 2 raised to power 5 minus the power of the denominator. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So that is 2 raised to power 2. Is it not? 2 raised to power 2 is the same as 2 times 2, right? Which is 4. 2 into 2 places. So the answer is what? The answer is 4. If you have 0.027 raised to power minus 1 over 3. So what do we do here? This becomes, this is a decimal number. We convert this decimal to fraction, right? Solution. So how do we convert the decimal to fraction? 0.027. 0.027. How do we convert to fraction? 0.027 point becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, right? That is 27 over 1000. Is it not? So what do we do now? We have converted this to fraction. So this is the equivalent to 27 over 1000 all raised to power minus 1 over 3. This power belongs to both 27 and the 1000. It's the same as 27 raised to power minus 1 over 3 over 1000 raised to power minus 1 over 3. Is it not? So, can we raise 27 to power? Yes. What can raise 27 to power? 3, right? 3 raised to power what? 3. That is 3 times 3 times 3. Is it not? Which is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Times minus 1 over 3. Is it not? Divided by, what can raise 1000 to power? 10 raised to power what? 3 times by minus 1 over 3. Is it not? 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 again is 1000. This cancel this cancel this. What do you have now? 3 raised to power minus 1 over 10 raised to power minus 1. When you have a negative in the power, we call it negative index law. 3 raised to power minus 1 is the same as 1 over 3 divided by 10 raised to power minus 1 again is the same as 1 over 10, or 10 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1. The 1 does not mean anything, is it not? So what do you have now? 1 over 3 times by 10 over 1. So what is the answer? 10 over 3. So the answer is 10 over 3. Or you can still divide to the simplest fraction. That will become a 3 whole number what? That 1 over 3, right? So that is it. If you have 2 raised to power 1 over 2 times 8 raised to power 1 over 2 by 4, what is the answer? Solve. What is the answer? You expected to get 1. You expect